Good morning, students. Now let us continue exercise 12.3. In the last class we have done question up to 4. Now let us start question number 5. I am reading the question. Find the area of the shaded region. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure 12.23. You just open NCERT book whenever you see the video so that you can go through the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. You are given a square, and each corner of a square, a quadrant is made with radius 1 centimeter. That is cut out, and also from center of circle, center of the square, a circle of radius, diameter 2 centimeter is cut out. You are asked to find the area of the shaded region. आपको एक क्वेश्चन दे रखा है. क्वेश्चन में एक स्क्वायर के अंदर चारों वर्टेक्स में 4 क्वाड्रेंट है, उसको कट किया गया है. इसके बीच में से सर्कल है, उसका डायमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर, उसको भी कट किया गया. तो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन इज दिस द डिसाइंड वन. यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द डिसाइंड पोर्शन. एरिया ऑफ डिसाइंड पोर्शन फाइंड आउट करके क्या करेंगे? टोटल एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर में से चारों क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया और ये सर्कल बीच में जो उसके एरिया का सम माइनस करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज यू आर गिवन? यू आर गिवन दैट साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर, side of the square is equal to how much you are given? 4 centimeter. Then first of all we will find the area of square. Area of the square is equal to side into side, that is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter square. Now quadrant, for quadrant, let me write like this. For quadrant, what is theta, so that you can differentiate. अगर अलग लिखेंगे तो आपको समझने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी. Theta is given as 90 degree, and what you are given are radius of the quadrant is given as 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Therefore, area of one quadrant. Area of one quadrant. After that, for finding 4, we will multiply it by 4. That is equal to, using the formula, quadrant is सेक्टर थीटा बाई 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. आप इसमें 1/4 पाई आर स्क्वायर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन थीटा बाई 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर आपके लिए नया है तो उसको यूज करने से फायदा है. एंड इट इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर नॉट गिवन पाई. इसमें पाई का वैल्यू नहीं दे रखा है. लेट अस पुट द वैल्यूज. थीटा बाई 360 इंटू आर इज 1, सो इट इज बेटर टू यूज द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई एस 3.14 इंटू 1 इंटू 1. 3.14 into 1 into 1. Now you are asked to find but you are given that until and unless the pi is not stated, you can't change. जब तक पाई को चेंज करने को दे ही नहीं रखा है तब तक आपको पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 ही डालना है. let us do like that. 1 into 1, that is 1/4, that is 2. 11/2 centimeter square. 11/2 into 4, 14 centimeter square. Sorry, 14 centimeter square, because 2 7s are 40. Again, I am showing the calculation. 9/30, 360, 1/4, 1/4 and 22, 11/2, 11/30, 40. Now area of 4 squares, 4 quadrants, square means quadrant. Area of 4 quadrant is equal to 4 into 11/14, that is it is cancelled by 2, that is 22/7. Now this is the area of 4 quadrant. Now we have to find area of the circle with diameter 2 centimeter. Area of circle with diameter 2 centimeter is radius equal to 1 centimeter, is pi r square. That is pi r square, that is 22/7 into 1 into 1, that is 22/7. Now let us now what we have to do. Now you have to find the value of the shaded area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region is area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of four quadrants, plus area of circle at the middle, Now area of square is 16 minus, and you got the area of this one is, let me check once more. You got the area of the square is 16 minus 22 by 7 is the area of 4 quadrant. Circle, the area is 22 by 7, 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7. And in this question it is better to use pi equal to 3.14, but we are not given, that is why we are using this one. 16 minus 44 by 7. Now 16 sevens are 102 minus 44 by 7. If you subtract 144 from 112, 8 and 6. That is, you are getting the value as 68 by 7 centimeter square. But as I told you, you have to change in decimal. That is, you have to do by yourself. I will not give time for that. Decimal में change करने का काम आपको खुद करना है. Next question is question number 6. There are number of questions. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. You are given a design, table cover design, and in the circle an equilateral triangle is inscribed. Circle के अंदर equilateral triangle inscribe हुआ है, जैसे बना रखा है. Now the design is like this. You have to find area of the design, and for that you are given a radius of this is radius. If I am taking O is the center, radius is equal to 32 centimeter. Now how can you find the area? There are two methods. First method है क्या है, सर्कल के एरिया में से तीनों डिजाइन का एरिया, तीनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया माइनस करेंगे. सेकेंड मेथड क्या है, सेकेंड मेथड में आप एक डिजाइन सेगमेंट आ रहा है, उसको आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो सेगमेंट एरिया निकालने के लिए आपको थीटा चाहिए. थीटा मिलने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, थीटा मिलने के लिए आप ये 3 इक्वल कोड सबटेंड 3 एंगल, देन 120 डिग्री एंगल आएगा. लेकिन 120 डिग्री एंगल वाला अपने कोड से डिलीट हुआ. सो दैट आई एम यूजिंग वन मोर मेथड. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस इज द ट्रायंगल ABC. ड्रॉ AM perpendicular to that is AM is perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Since triangle is equilateral, AM perpendicular to BC implies BM equal to MC, because in an equilateral triangle, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, altitude all are coinciding. So that O is the centroid. Then O is the centroid. Now centroid divides each of the median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore AO is to OM is equal to 2:1. AO is radius, that is OB is equal to 32 centimeter. Now you have to find OM. OM is equal to AO is to OM equal to 2/1. And OM means total आपके पास, let me check once more. Total आपके पास AO is 2, OM is 1, because centroid divides each of the median in the ratio 3:1. So that you have to find OM. OM means इसको अपॉन में लिख देंगे, AO by OM is equal to 2/1. So that OM is equal to 1/2 AO. ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, 1/2 AO, that is 1/2 into 32, that is 16. Now what we are going to do, we have to find the side of the this BC and AM. Then you can find the area of the triangle ABC using the formula half BH. Therefore AM is equal to AO, ये रेशियो आपको अच्छी तरह याद होना चाहिए, AO plus OM, that is, let me write, AO plus OM, that is equal to, let me change the chalk because it is not seen properly, that is equal to AO is 32 centimeter plus 16 centimeter, that is 48 centimeter. Now you have to find this BM. If you can find BM, then you can use BC because M is the midpoint. M midpoint होता है तो BC twice BM हो जाएगा. Now how we can find BM? In right triangle, BOM, BM square is equal to OB square minus OM square. That is OB is 32 square centimeter square, OM is 16 centimeter whole square. Now if you solve this, you will get this as, otherwise you can use the formula A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B आप apply करेंगे तो it will be easy. 32 plus 16 into 32 minus 16. 32 plus 16 is 48 into 6. 48 into 16, sorry, 16 आएगा. But you have to take the square root. Therefore, AM, this is AM. AM is AM is equal to, sorry, this is B. A is already given. BM is equal to under root of 48 into 16. That is under root of 16 into, ये सब आपका कैलकुलेशन इजी करने की तरीका है, तो 16 root 3. BM आ गया 16 root 3. Now we have to find which one. You have to find BC. Therefore BC is equal to 2BM is equal to 2 into 16 root 3. That is 32 root 3. Now area of design. Area of design is equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle ABC. Now equilateral triangle में √3/4 को यूज नहीं करेंगे क्यों, हमने बेस और हाइट निकाला है. That is pi r square. Pi, what you are asked to take, pi you are asked to take 22/7. That is pi r square minus half BH. First of all, write the formula. That is 22/7 into 32 into 32 minus half BH. B is 16 root 3 and H is, H what you are given 16 नहीं 32 root 3. DM is, this is 32, पूरा आपको लेना है 32 root 3 into and AM का लेंथ कितना है, AM is again 48 because 32 plus 16. If you solve this, you will get the calculation is so big. I will write it as if you multiply all these things, you will get as 22528. This one you have to do by yourself. 22528 minus 7 is upon 7. 22528 upon 7 minus 768 root 3 cm square. This much is given in your book, but you have to put the value of root 3 equal to 1.73. If you put the value, you will get the approximate value as 188.9.65 centimeters square. 188.9.65 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो इस तरह की क्वेश्चन में आपका कैलकुलेशन स्पीड बहुत अच्छी तरह एक्यूरेट भी होना चाहिए, स्पीड बढ़ना भी चाहिए. Next question, question number 7. This question had come number of times in the board examination. I am reading the question. In figure 12.25, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally the two of the remaining circle. Find the area of the shaded region. What you are given? You are given a square and each corner of the circle square 4 circle एक जैसा होना चाहिए. That you can do because of the lack of space. I can do this much. इसके चारों तरफ, let me draw first of all. इसके चारों तरफ 4 सर्कल्स इंस्क्राइब हो रहा है. इसके बीच का एरिया आपसे पूछा गया, तो इसको बिना फिगर भी आ सकता है. What I am going to say a statement. At each corner of a square, 4 circles are inscribed in such a way that each touches 2 of the other. Then find the area of the region bounded by the circumference of the circle inside the square. that means once more I am saying at each corner of a square 4 circles are inscribed in such a way that each touches 2 of the other. एक दो को टच कर रहे हैं. Find the area of the region bounded by the circumference of the circle, circumference of the 4 circle inside the square. So then let us take the naming as A, B, C, D. How we can find this area? This area can be found by subtracting the area of 4 quadrant from square. Square में से चारों quadrant का area minus करेंगे तब बीच का area आ जाएगा. Now what you are given? You are given square of the side. Side of square. Side of the square is given as 14 centimeter. This is 14. ये दोनों एक दूसरे को टच करेंगे तो ये मिड पॉइंट हो जाएगा. Therefore radius, midpoint means radius of the quadrant is side upon 2. Radius of the quadrants is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Then what else you are given? Then you are asked to find the area of the shaded region in the figure. Area of the shaded region. Therefore area of the shaded, if you अगर आप अलग अलग निकाल करके माइनस करना चाहते तो वैसे कर सकते हैं, या एक साथ कर सकते तो वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Area of, but I suggest you do together. Shaded region is equal to area of the square minus 4 into area of 1 quadrant at the vertex. That is area of square is, first of all write the formula. Side square, because you will get half mark of formula, minus 4 into theta by 360 into pi r square. That is side square is 14 cm whole square minus 4 into 90 by 360 degree into pi. What you are asked to take, you are not given, so that you have to take it is 22 by 7. Since radius is 7, it will be cancelled. This 1 4, this is getting cancelled, here 7 getting cancelled. 14 square is 196 centimeter square minus 154 centimeter square, so that you will get 196 minus 154 is 42 cm square. तो आप एक साथ करेंगे, बहुत लंबा भी नहीं पड़ेगा, आपको इजी लगेगा. The option is up to you. Next question, question number 8, that is homework. It is so lengthy but it is very simple. Question number 8 as homework. आपको एक फिगर दे रखा है. You can see the figure like this. You have to find the length of the boundary as well as area of the region, that you can do as homework. Next question, question number 9. Question number 9 I am reading. In figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O and perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of smaller circle. If OA equal to 7, find the area of the shaded region. Let me draw the figure. You are given a big circle. In big circle, इस सर्कल में you are given, let it be O be the center, two perpendicular diameters. जैसे दो perpendicular diameters आपको दे रखा है. फर्स्ट डायमीटर का नेमिंग दे रखा है AB and second diameter is CD and center is O. One more circle is given with OD as diameter. OD को diameter करके एक और सर्कल बना रखा है. आपको हर एक फिगर क्वेश्चन में फिगर नोटबुक में फिगर बनाना है, क्वेश्चन पूरा लिखना है, डैश 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 नहीं लिखेंगे ये छोटी क्लास जैसे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू मेंशन द क्वेश्चन कंप्लीटली. नाउ दिस इज जॉइंट. You have to find area of this circle as well as area of this region. Now you are given OA is equal to 7. OA is equal to 7 centimeter. Implies OD is also equal to 7 centimeter क्योंकि radius है. Therefore diameter of equal to diameter of smaller circle. Diameter of स्मॉलर सर्कल. आपको डिजाइन ये शेडेड रीजन का एरिया कैसे निकालना है? आपको इस सर्कल का एरिया निकालना, उसको ऐड करना है, दोनों डिजाइन का एरिया भी ऐड करना है. तो इसका रेडियस चाहिए पयास पर अप्लाई करने के लिए. इसमें सेमी सर्कल में से इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया माइनस करेंगे. एंगल, दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री बिकॉज एंगल इन सेमी सर्कल इज 90 डिग्री. नाउ दैट इज Therefore radius of smaller circle is equal to 7/2. Now let us take area of the design is equal to area of smaller circle plus area of ये सेमी सर्कल का डायमीटर कितना है 14. एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल विथ डायमीटर या रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी. एक साथ लिखेंगे तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. AB is 14, OC is radius, that is 7. That is pi r square 22 by, first of all write the formula, pi r square प्लस इसका बड़ा सर्कल है तो उसको कैपिटल आर लेते हैं बाई 2 माइनस हाफ BH. आर यू गेटिंग? दैट इज 22/7 इंटू 7/2 इंटू 7/2 प्लस 1/2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू इसका रेडियस 7 इंटू 7 माइनस 1/2 इंटू बेस 14 इंटू हाइट 7 सेंटीमीटर. This much is the values you have to use. Now you have to solve by yourself. That means this is getting cancelled, this is getting cancelled. Now if you do the calculation, let me check once more. That is, if you do the calculation, you will get, let me check, that is 22 by area of the semicircle, that is pi r square. This is 77/2, that is 38.5 cm square. 77 का half 38.5 cm square. Second is, if you cancel this getting cancelled, this getting cancelled, that is plus 77 cm square minus, if you get cancel this, you will get as 49 cm square. If you add these two and subtract, you will get, as I am not going to show you any step, that is, if you add these two, so that is 77 plus 38.5. Let me check once more. 38.5, that is 77, again 49. Area of semicircle, if you add these two and subtract, you will get as 66.5 centimeters. So I am not going to show you any step. But in your NCERT book, answer is given as question number 9. Let me check. 66.5, that is right. Now the calculation part you have to do by yourself. Next question is question number 10. Again question number 10 is like question number 7. question number 7 में स्क्वायर के चारों वर्टेक्स में सर्कल इंस्क्राइब हुआ है, यहाँ ट्रायंगल में है. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. See as in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equal to 3.14 and √3 equal to 1.73205. Let me draw the figure first. You are given equilateral triangle. Let ABC be equilateral triangle. Each vertex, like in the previous question, हर vertex में 3 circle inscribe हुआ है. 3 circles inscribe हुआ है. एक जैसा सर्कल होना चाहिए, इसके हिसाब से आप बना लेना. This is 3 circles inscribed at each vertex, and the radius of the circle is given as half of the side of the equilateral triangle. This is ABC. You are asked to find the area of the shaded region. इसको भी statement form में लिखेंगे. With each vertex of a equilateral triangle, 3 circles are inscribed in such a way that each touches 2 of the other. एक दो को टच कर रहे हैं. Circle should be in proportionate way. That is, I am making it small. And at each vertex of an equilateral triangle, 3 circles are drawn such that each touches 2 of the other. Find the area of the region enclosed by the circumference of circle inside the triangle. Now you are given area of triangle ABC is equal to 17320.5 cm square. You know area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 1732.5 centimeter square. And now you are given a square is equal to 1732.5 centimeter square into 4 by root 3. root 3 का वैल्यू आपको दे रखा है 1.73205. 17320.5 is the area. 1.73205 is the value of the value of root 3 that is given in a long decimal form. That means if you solve it, you will get it as 10,000. That is four zeros. Now that means A equal to 200 centimeter. This is centimeter square. ये अब काट देंगे आपको तो 10,000 आ जाएगा, ये कटेगा तो. Now radius is equal to A by 2, that is 200 by 2, that is 100 centimeter. Now area of the shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus 3 into area of one sector. एक साथ कर लेते हैं तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. एरिया हियर you are given directly 17320.5 centimeter square minus 3 into, since it's the equilateral triangle, angle is 60 degree by 360 into pi is asked to use as 3.14 into r square is, r कितना था, r square, r is 100, that is 100 into 100. That means this is getting calculated 6 times, this is 2, that means 17320.5, ये इसमें 1.57 times कटेगा. That means 17320.5 minus 15700. If you subtract it, 157, let me check once more. That is 15700 centimeter square. Therefore, if you subtract it, you will get 1620.5 centimeter square. What is given in the that is 1620.5 centimeter square. इसी तरह आप एक साथ करेंगे, आप में प्रॉब्लम कम आएगा. Next question is question number 11. I am reading the question. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 cm are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. आपको एक स्क्वायर दे रखा है, and in square it will be just like a square. स्क्वायर जैसे दिखना चाहिए. उसमें 9 सर्कल से 1 2 3 4 एक जैसे होना चाहिए. 4 5 6 7 एक दूसरे को टच भी करना है इक्वल सर्कल से. 7 you can do. I am drawing the approximate figure. मैं approximate figure ही ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, बाकी आप खुद कर सकते हैं. This is, if you draw in this way, this becomes, and these are the designs that you are given. आपको इसमें डिजाइन दे रखा है. I am just drawing the rough figure. This is again design. This is again design. This is again design. This is again design and again design. तो आपको ये डिजाइन है, ये दे रखा है, and this is the design of handkerchief. You are asked to find area of the remaining portion of handkerchief. handkerchief का remaining portion मतलब आपको स्क्वायर में से 9 सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करना है. And you are given, what you are given, सर्कल का रेडियस दे रखा है. r of circle is equal to 7. Therefore d is equal to 2 into 7 14. कितने सर्कल है? 3. That means therefore side of the square कैसे मिलेगा? तीनों सर्कल का डायमीटर ऐड करना है. Side of the square is equal to 14 into 3. Since 3 circles are coming, that is 42 centimeter. Therefore area of the remaining handkerchief, area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief that is understood is equal to area of square minus 4 कितना सर्कल है? 9 into area of one circle. Area of square is, first of all write the formula, side square minus 9 into pi r square. That is side square is 42 centimeter whole square. Let me check. 42 centimeter whole square minus 42 centimeter whole square minus 9 into 22 by 7 into r is 7. 7 into 7 centimeter square. Now if you solve it, 42 square is 1764 centimeter square minus the value of this one is 1386. This you have to do by yourself. ये आपको खुद करना है. That means 1764 minus 1386 equal to 378 cm square. Let us check the answer of question number 11, 378. That is right. Next question is question number 12. I am reading the question. In figure 12.30, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with radius O and with center O and radius 3.5. OACB, and if OD equal to 2 centimeter, find the radius of the quadrant OACB and shaded region. First of all, let me draw the figure. आपको एक quadrant दे रखा है. Quadrant is like this. एक quadrant दे रखा है. This is quadrant. Naming is OACB. And the radius of this quadrant is given as 3.5. 3.5 means this is 3.5. Now, one more, there is a point D is given in OA such that OD equal to 2 centimeter. And if you join this, you will get a region like this. You are asked to find the area of shaded region. So first part you are asked to find area of the quadrant. Quadrant का naming क्या है? OACB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 90 by 360. 90 by 360, let me check. 90 by 360 into pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 3.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. If you solve this, you will get as 9.625 centimeter square. You can check the answer. Question number 12, it is given as 77.8, but if you solve this, you will get as 9.625 square centimeter. Now, area of the shaded region, shaded region is equal to area of quadrant OACB minus area of triangle OBD. क्वाड्रेंट में से ट्रायंगल हटाओ, आपको मिल जाएगा. दैट इज ये आप आपने पहले निकाल रखा है 9.625 centimeter square, and triangle is right triangle. You can use the formula half BH, half into 3.5 into 2. That means you will get it as 3.5, that is 9.625 centimeter square minus 3.5 centimeter square, that is 6.125 centimeter square. In the book it is given as 49 upon 8, but I suggest you always find in decimal form if it is not so complicated. Next question is question number 13. In figure 12.31, OACB is inscribed in a quadrant OBPQ. If OA equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. And the question is 13. Question number 13. I am drawing the figure. आपको एक quadrant दे रखा है. Let this is the quadrant. ये आपको quadrant दे रखा है. Naming is given as OPBQ. OPBQ. Now inside the quadrant, square OABC. एक स्क्वायर इसमें इंस्क्राइब हुआ है. स्क्वायर जैसे दिखाना है आपको. Square is inscribed like this, and the naming is given as OABC. You are asked to find the area of this shaded region. इस shaded region का area कैसे निकालेंगे? क्वाड्रेंट में से स्क्वायर को एरिया माइनस करना है. Now we can find the area radius of the quadrant. You are given OA. आपको OA दे रखा है. OA is equal to 20 centimeter. That is the side of the square. Side of the square. Now you are, in order to find the area of the quadrant, you have to find its radius. This triangle is 90 degree. In right triangle, OAB by Pythagoras theorem. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, that is 20 square plus 20 square, that is implies OB is equal to 20 root 2. मैंने कहा था सेम चीज आते वक्त 400 plus 400 हो जाएगा तो 800, 2 into 400 20 root 2. Therefore the radius of the quadrant that you have got as 20 root 2. Therefore area of the shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant OPBQ minus area of the square. Now you have to put the values. अब आपको values put करना है. What you will get? That means area of quadrant is theta by 360, that is 90 by 360 into what you are asked to take pi. You are asked, let me check, you are asked to take the value of pi is 3.14, क्योंकि यहाँ कुछ भी चीज 7 का मल्टीपल में नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए आप चेक करना कि अगर 7 के मल्टीपल में नहीं आता है तो पाई का वैल्यू क्या लेना है. 3.14 into the radius is given as, what is the radius? 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus area of square is 20 square. लास्ट में आप इसके वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, then you will get, if you solve this, you will get 628 cm square. I am not showing you sir. Minus area square is 400 cm square. Now if you subtract it, you will get 228 cm square. This is, let us check the answer. The answer is 228. Now next question, I will do question number 14 and 15, and question number 16 is homework. If you have any queries, then you can ask me. Question number 14, ये भी बहुत simple question है. You are given two sectors of a circle. Two sector दे रखा है. One sector is like this, one sector is like this. The sector angle is given as 30 degree. I am reading the question. AB and CD are respectively two concentric circles of radius. AB and CD concentric circle means same center and different radius. 21 and 7 centimeter with center O. See in the figure. If angle AOB is equal to 30, find the area of shaded region. You are given, this is O, this is C, this is D, and this is A, this is B. OC is given as 7 centimeter and OB is given as 21 centimeter. ये रीजन निकालना है. ये रीजन का एरिया निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, बड़ा सेक्टर में से छोटा सेक्टर को माइनस करेंगे. आर ऑफ सेक्टर OCD, इसको स्मॉल आर लेते हैं 7 सेंटीमीटर और बड़ा को कैपिटल लेते हैं. आर ऑफ सेक्टर OAB is equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore area of the shaded region is equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD, that is theta by 360, बड़ा सेक्टर का रेडियस कैपिटल आर लिया है, माइनस थीटा बाई 360 पाई स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. मैंने कहा था जब इक्वेशन आएगा उसको सॉल्व करके आगे बढ़ना. पाई थीटा बाई 360 इंटू कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. नाउ पाई व्हाट यू आर आस्क्ड टू टेक, pi you are not given anything, so that you can take the value of pi as 22 by 7 into theta is 30 degree by 360 degree into capital R is 21 square minus 7 square. Now आप इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, a square minus b square का वैल्यू लगाएंगे, you will get that is 22 by 7 into 30 by 360 is 1 by 120 into 21 plus 7, that is 28, a plus b into 21 minus 7, a minus b. This is getting cancelled 2 times. Let me check the answer. And this is 22 by 7, that is 120, 28, 7 2s are 14, this is 60, this is 11, this is 30, this is 40, 15. If you solve this, you will get the answer is, let me check, the answer is 308 by 3 centimeter square. If you change it in decimal form, you will get it as 102.67 centimeter square. Now last question of today's class is very important. Question number 15. 14 भी कई बार बोर्ड में आया हुआ है, 15 भी आया हुआ है. रीडिंग क्वेश्चन. The figure 12.33 ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and semicircle is drawn with BCS diameter. Find the area of shaded region. The figure is like that. आपको एक क्वाड्रेंट दे रखा है, उस क्वाड्रेंट से एक क्वाड्रेंट का साइड रेडियस दे रखा है AC, ABC, एक जैसा दिखाना है. This with BCS diameter, one more semicircle is drawn. You are asked to find area of this shaded region. इस shaded region का एरिया निकालने के लिए कभी बच्चे कई बार गलत करते हैं. सेमी सर्कल में से सेगमेंट को हटाना है. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, सेमी सर्कल में से क्वाड्रेंट को हटाते हैं, क्योंकि ये रीजन मींस एक सेमी सर्कल में से, देखो ऐसा रीजन आ रहा है, ऐसा रीजन मतलब सेमी सर्कल में से सेगमेंट को हटाना है. तो आपको क्या क्या दे रखा है, लेट अस चेक. यू आर गिवन द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. आपको रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल दे रखा है, दैट इज ये दोनों एक जैसे दिखाना है, थोड़ा सा अलग हो गया. दिस इज 14, दिस इज 14. दैट इज आर ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट, स्मॉल आर लेते हैं. आर ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 14 सेंटीमीटर. इसका डायमीटर मिलने के लिए पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगाएंगे. दिस इज 90 डिग्री इन राइट ट्रायंगल ABC by Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to 14 सेंटीमीटर होल स्क्वायर प्लस 14 सेंटीमीटर होल स्क्वायर. एक जैसा आता है तो आपको √2 बाहर लेना है. therefore BC equal to 14 √2. therefore डायमीटर कैपिटल लेते हैं. डायमीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कल, सेमी सर्कल का डायमीटर मिलेगा तब एरिया आएगा, is 7 √2. Are you getting? Now you have to find the area of the shaded region. तो डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं, अलग अलग करने में बहुत लंबा पड़ेगा. दैट इज एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल विथ BC एज डायमीटर, विथ BC एज डायमीटर माइनस एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट. नेमिंग नहीं दे रही हूं क्योंकि सेगमेंट नेमिंग करेंगे तो फिर बहुत वापस कुछ लिखना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल मीन्स पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस थीटा बाई 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर, उसमें से माइनस हाफ BH करेंगे आप. दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 2 इज पाई 22/7. क्या दे रखा है आपको, पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 2 इज 22/7. दैट इज 1/2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू R is 7 √2, I think 7 √2. that is 7 √2 into 7 √2. that is the area of semicircle minus theta by 360, that is 90 by 360 into 22/7 into 14. 1 minute, let me check what is the radius in 14 into 14 माइनस माइनस इसको माइनस प्लस कर देते हैं, प्लस हाफ BH. B is 14 into height is also 14. That means area of semicircle you will get as 154 cm square minus let me check, 154 cm square minus let me check, this is 7 minus this is 4, this is getting cancelled. This is 2, that is 11 into 14, 154. Let me check once more. That is 154 minus 154, दोनों एक ही आ रहा है, प्लस 98. देखिए दिस इज, अगर आप इसको कैंसिल करेंगे ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 27 इंटू 7 गेट कैंसिल, ये 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये 2 √2 कैंसिल, तो 154 हो गया. अगेन यहाँ 11 इंटू 14, अगेन 154 माइनस माइनस प्लस 14 7 आर 98. दैट इज 98 cm स्क्वायर. इसी तरह डायरेक्ट करेंगे, आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन 15, 16 इज होमवर्क. आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्लास. डू ऑल द क्वेश्चन, सारे क्वेश्चन आपको नोटबुक में करना है इंक्लूडिंग होमवर्क और सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल्स. इफ यू नो क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क मी. थैंक यू.